Linggah, and uh, I'm not at the location. Okay, a bit noisy the drone sound. I'm using drone now. You are facing to the south. I'm facing to the north. So this is the plot. Okay, where the access are at the front over there, which is now facing to the east. Okay, and this is the land facing to the north now, and that's pretty flat, right? So I'm turning to the west a little bit, where you see the jungle. Okay, and back to the south where I'm standing. So the plots include this volleyball field. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the plot from the highest little bit, and this is how it looks facing to the jungle or to the west. Too bad it is cloudy, but I hope you still can see how it looks like, and later I'll take you down there where to the back part of the plot. So that's the view across the river, which is bordering the plot. Okay, this is, so the drone is about in the middle of the plot now. Try to look around, turning to the south. The drone is about 10 meters high from the ground, maybe less. Back to the east where I'm standing, or the frontage of the land. Turning to the south where we're supposed to see the mountain, but it's a bit cloudy right over there. And also right in the corner over there you should see, this is the front part. You can see the rice field, and over there is supposed to be the mountain. So again, this is the plot. That's the frontage, the rice field in the front of the plot. So this is the plot underneath. And the waterfall is supposed to be right over there under the big trees. Turning to the west, and this is the view from the land to the back part of the plot. I'm flying high a little bit now, moving backwards. Heading to the east. So that's the plot where you can see my car over there. This is facing to the west. This is the surrounding. Now the drone is on the north part of the plot, facing to the south. And there's supposed to be a river in between the rice field and the plot. I'm heading to the west part of the plot, facing to the east or to the plot. Now heading to the north. I'm going down a little bit, going through the plot. The mountain is supposed to be up there, but it's cloudy. Yes, you can see a little bit. I'm going down a bit to the plot. Okay, you can see the river bordering at the back there. Yes, that's the river. That's the back part of the plot. Okay, that's the back part of the plot. And now facing to the front part of the bank. Right there. I'm going through the plot now. That's me. Okay, try to go high now to get the shape of the plots. Okay, being run up there. Okay, right there. Yeah, I hope I get the whole plot covered.